up everyone? This is Nomzamambata and you are watching Student TV.
Watching Student TV.
You are watching Student TV.
Is Student TV.
Hi, this is Mshunqisi and you're watching Student TV.
Hello, what's up? My name is Mshunqisi and you're watching Student TV.
What's up? My name is Contact Helen and you're watching Student TV.
Hi guys, this is Amanda Black and you're tuned in to Student TV.
Watching Student TV. Nisithanda kanjani? Sibathela induku. Danke.
What's up, guys? This is our child, the African rockstar, and you're watching Student TV.
What's up? This is M, the refugee, and you're watching Student TV.
Hola, Professor Skala Chesme. Student TV.
Hey, what's up? My name is Miss Cosmo and you are tuned into Student TV.
What's up everybody? This is your girl DJ Sindo and you are watching Student TV, baby. We are in our
wala bafethu Dladla Mshunqisi uhleli la ku Student TV ingathi lento.
Let the man get past
Lalela ayikho enye ingoma iyona Amalukuluku singena ngawo 2019 abantu abavote ngoba ingathi lento.
Ingathi lento votani bafethu amalukuluku alindile. Ake bafethu I want to ask Dladla Amalukuluku is a very interesting song and yathanda njengamanje. Could you just give your people a brief highlight ukuthi yenza kanjani le ngoma? How did it come about?
Mfethu Amalukuluku to tell you ukuthi akhazi ukuthini yabona umuntu menelukuluku angry ne, so that's how the song started. Mfethu kusasikhathele mfethu izinto ezenzeka eThekwini ezenzeka in our music industry usibanibana akazwani nosibanibana, so you can't work with that person ubani ongamfuna utile kwashe kwacima. Mfethu let's stop that mfethu asebenzisane sikwi industry sonke asibambisane ingakho ngithi abavuke bonke nabangasekho sibambisane siubambe lo mshunqo siyibambe lempi yomshunqo ngoba ingathi lento Amalukuluku eTheku
awushonqa lento. Okay, Dladla, speaking about Utira, we know ukuthi ukusungulila Utira wakuphusha. How has that journey been working with Utira?
Mfethu, it's been one of the best. Trust me, it's been one of the best and I enjoy every moment. Can enjoy even from Upeni to Utira. Abantu abafanayo mfethu kusebenzeka kamnandi. If kukhona ukuthembana, kukhona ukusebenzisana, ayikho into engenzeki mfethu sibambisene nje kamnandi. Ngiyambonga nje mfethu Utira ngakho konke ngiyabonga.
Thank you my God, thank you my God. Now bro, I've got one question for you. Abantu bafuna ukwazi ukuthi inspiration yale haircut ya Dladla iqhamukaphi?
Mfethu, it was a process since sifike kule haircut ne. Nganginoke ngishintsha ngesinye isikhathi ngikhunde ngapha, isikhathi kube nendlela phakathi nendawo ungaqondi nje mfethu. Up until kanti singizohamba ngiyoshaya photo shoots and nginale haircut, so le photo shoots isithombe sakhona sahamba kakhulu mfethu kanti sengisibona on everyone's social media. So I decided ukuthi yazini, this is a haircut to keep. Let even my logo be the haircut njengoba ubona.
Awudakiwe.
So siqhuba yona mfethu this haircut emasaluni bayibiza ukuthi Mshunqisi.
Thank you. So obviously bro, sengizoyivala manje.
Yes.
Each and every artist has their signature style.
Yes.
How important is it ukuthi i-artist ne-artist ibe unique?
Mfethu, it is very important. It is very important, but if ubona ukuthi kukhona umuntu osenzisa kwakho ofana nawe kakhulu. Jabula mfethu uyi-artist yabo because uyabona ukuthi khona lento oyenzayo. Uma kukhona othintekayo nofunayo ukuthi efana noDladla Mshunqisi. Yo mfethu jabula abantu asiyijabulele leyo nto mfethu. Asingayibukeli phansi. Isibusiso kwayona ukuthi khona umuntu obukela phezulu kuwena othi I wanna be uMshunqisi.
Ake Mshunqisi ngayivala le ndaba mina mfethu. Bathi uhamba ngani?
Uhamba ngeToyota and no alternate computer. Ta. Wala bafethu Dladla Mshunqisi uhleli la ku Student TV ingathi lento.
What's up everyone? This is Nomzamambata and you are watching Student TV.
What's up guys? This is our child, the African rockstar, and you're watching Student TV.
What's up? My name is Contact Helen and you're watching Student TV.
Hi, this is Mshunqisi and you're watching Student TV.
You are watching Student TV.
Hello, what's up? My name is Mshunqisi and you're watching Student TV.
Is Student TV.
Watching Student TV.
Hola, Professor Skala Chesme. Student TV.
Hi guys, this is Amanda Black and
you're tuned into Student TV.
Watching Student TV. Nisithanda kanjani? Sibathela induku. Danke.
Hey, what's up? My name is Miss Cosmo, and you are tuned into Student TV. What's up, everybody? This is your girl, DJ Sindo, and you are watching Student TV, baby. We are in our